Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is an update to the M Competition car plug and play illuminated logo kit. This kit provides always on functionality for your M illuminated logos. The previous kit did require some modification to the OE wiring loom. Although this was not a major modification and did not require any wires cutting, the new kit is now simply plug and play. So, in the previous kit, it would be necessary to de-pin the 3-pin plug with the green and the red wire. So why BMW chose to fit a 3-pin plug and only populate 2 of the holes is beyond me, but that was their decision. Anyway, you would end up with 2 bare connectors like this. After de-pinning the plug, you would then insert these 2 connectors into the 2-pin plug, which then fits the 2-pin socket on the plug and play kit. Luckily now this is so much easier. All you have to do is unplug the OE connector from the LED light and plug it back in to the plug and play kit, which is now provided with a 3-pin socket to match that plug, so you don't even have to de-pin any plugs, any sockets. It's totally and utterly plug and play. So let's take a look at the new M Competition plug and play illuminated logo kit. So guys, here we go. So this is the new modified connector for the M Competition cars. On the previously supplied kits, you would have to remove the 3-pin connector from your car and replace it with my 2-pin supplied connector. Now my kit comes with the 3-pin connector, which is the same as the one on your vehicle. So all you will do now is unplug your headrest supply from your OE connector and plug it straight into this one that's on my kit. So you get 2 of these with every set, and that's the connecting harness that goes down to the ambient light to supply your M illuminated logos. It's all plug and play now guys. There's no messing about having to de-pin anything. I think you'll agree, makes the job a lot easier and a lot cleaner, and you can just revert it back to standard at any time. So there you go guys. Like I say, it's now supplied with this 3-pin plug on it, which doesn't mean, what it actually means is you don't have to change anything on your vehicle. You just unplug your OE lights and plug into my connectors, and your M illuminated logos will stay on while ever your ignition is on the vehicle, and then they'll go off after 5 minutes after you've locked the car. So hope this makes sense guys. Thank you to everybody who's been leaving the kind comments, who've made orders with me. As always, it's very much appreciated, and I'd just like to thank you all very much for your support. These kits are generally in stock and ready to ship, so if it's what you're looking for guys, drop me a line and I'll be in touch. Thanks for coming. If you've liked the video, please give it a like and please consider subscribing. Bye for now.